Assalamualaikum. We are presenting our group project with the title Warehouse Management System. I'm Shakira bint Raza, metric number CA20036. We'll be presenting our case study. A warehouse management system consists of software and processes that allow organizations to control and administer warehouse operation from the time goods or materials enter a warehouse until they move out. The purpose of a warehouse management system is to ensure that goods and materials move to warehouse in the most efficient and cost-effective way. It handles many functions that enable this movement, including inventory tracking, picking, saving, and put away. It also provides visibility into an organization inventory at any time and location. However, this warehouse management system only focuses on selling ready-to-assemble furniture and home accessories. The warehouse management system requests to enter the choice such as add user, undo add user, calculate total weight and total price, list all user, sort user, ascending price, and also search user. After choice of add user have been chosen, the user need to insert their name, user ID, and total items. After user enter the total items, system will ask the user to key in the item price and weight in RM and kg respectively. Then total weight and total price of the items may be calculated with their average price. The list of user inserted may also be displayed in the system. The system also can sort the user according the ascending price. Lastly, the system also able to search user by entering the user ID to find selected users. That's all for me. Then we move to the next presenter. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Nur Faziratun binti Abdullah, number matric CA20056, will present about related case study. Our topic is warehouse management system. So, the first related case study is NetSuite, and this is the example of the user interface for NetSuite system. NetSuite WMS enables in the automation of warehouse and manufacturing operations. It proved to helpful in carrying out major warehouse functions such as receiving, storing, and shipping supplies. Tool feature: first, mobile RF barcode scanning. Second, strategy definition for putting away and picking up. Third, there are three benefits of this feature, which is mobile receiving, mobile picking, mobile cycle counting. Next, task management. Next, return authorization receipt. Next, cycle counts plan. There are also other features like real-time data, order management, barcode tracking, billing, inventory management, shipping management, workforce and lot management, warehouse map, purchasing, and so on. For the advantages for this system, it is simple and so easy to use. The company offers a guarantee. The contact information is clearly visible. It has a third-party plugin. And last one is wireless warehousing. Disadvantages: it is not an effective ERP. It provides some ERP features, but they are not as per the expectation. Next, second related case study, which is 3PL Warehouse Manager. This is the example of user interface for 3PL Warehouse Manager. 3PL Central provides a cloud-based system. It has a contemporary user interface as well as intelligent user experience skills. In 2006, John Watkins and Nancy Rohman founded 3PL Central. They were functioning their own warehouse at the time. Thus, this system was designed by warehouse management experts. Tool feature: first, easy expansion. Second, seamless integration. Third, accurate billing. Fourth, mobile barcode scanning. Fifth, centralized management of the customer, multiple location and multiple warehouse. 6. Accurate scanning, packing and verifying of the shipment. 7. Manage inventory and order from everywhere and at any time. Last but not least, it provides support for integration with the EDI providers. For the advantages, it is easy to expand the system or upgrade the software. It is easy to use and it easy to access and handle data from anywhere and at any time. Disadvantages: training is required to use the system, especially the billing section is very confusing. And last is, this is for small warehouse or organization. Next, the third related case study, which is Taxis, and this is the example of the user interface. Taxis was founded in 1983 and it based on Montreal, Canada. It has over 600 customers. The Technology Innovation Leadership Award was given to Taxi WMS. It is a cloud-based system that is best suited for medium and large businesses. Tool feature: this system provides multiple pick methods like the wave, zone, cluster and so on. Second, dot and cross dot management. Third, dynamic slotting. The services which is contain spatial production, kitting and custom labeling, expiry date, lot tracking, serial numbering. It provides advanced functionality for packing, shipping, picking and many more services. Last but not least, transportation management. Advantages: the system is robust and scalable. It provides a customizable workflow. And last is, the system can be integrated with various CRM and ERP system. For disadvantages, the payment processing facility is not available. Absent of the feature to monitor supply chain and analytic. No support for multi-location. Plan details start from $50,000. This is a one-time license fee. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. My name is Ayman Bashir Muhammad and my matric number is SYAHRIR 19124. Today I'm going to present the possible sample inputs. First of all, our system will be named Warehouse Management System. And first, when the admin or the user of this program will enter the program, it will show him a list of commands. First of all, we have here add user, which will enable the user of the program to insert the user information. Moreover, we have undo add user, which will enable the user of this program to delete all the user information. Additionally, we have this seek character, which will enable the user of the program to calculate total weight and total price for all the user items. For L character, which will enable the user to list all the users. And moreover, we have here E character, which will enable the user to sort user based on the price. So from the bigger prices till the lower prices, it will show the user information. And before we end, we have here search user, which will enable the user or the admin of the program to search the users based on their names. Finally, we have exit, which will, when the user insert X character, will show thank you, I think so. Here there is a possible input for entering or inserting A, which is the adding user. So the possible sample input for this one is this will enter the username. For instance, here we have made Ali, and enter user ID, for example, WM S2435 and enter total items. So based on the number that the user have entered, for example, here we have three, uh, the, the, the program will show three lists, which are enter item one price, enter item one weight in kilogram, and also enter item two price in ringgit Malaysian, and so on for the list number three. And once all the input is inserted and sorted into the program, it will be easily showed in the when the admin of the program lists all the user and search the user, and moreover deleting the user information. Thank you all for your listening. Thank you, Doctor, for your listening. I will give the mic to the next presenter.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Aslam bin Muhammad Nasir, metric number CB20111. So today I'm going to present about our coding. So we have struct warehouse. It has a float, total weight, and total price. So for the struct user, we have character name, character user ID, int total items, float price, weight, average price, and struct warehouse and struct user. So we move to the int main. So firstly, we show add user, undo add user, calculate total weight and total price, and then done. And then we list all the user that has been entered. We can sort user ascending by their price, and then we can search the user, and then we show thank you if you want if they exit the system. So for the void push, it has enter name, enter user ID, and enter total items. And then let's run the coding. So firstly, we need to enter which one we want to choose. So let's say we choose A for add user, and then we enter our name. Let's say my name, Aslam. We enter my ID, enter total items. Let's say 2 items. So with the first item, we enter the price for 45 ringgit and 50 cent. The weight in kilogram, we enter about 4 kilogram. And the second item, price for the second item, let's say we enter 56 70 cent, and the weight is about 7.5 kilogram. So let's say we want to add another user. We enter A, and then enter the name. Let's say Farhan. Enter his ID. Enter his total item. Let's say 3 items. So the price for the first items is 100. And the weight is about 55 kilogram. And the second item is 150 ringgit, 50 cent. And the weight is 67 kilogram. And then enter the third price for the item. Let's say 45 ringgit and 34 kilogram. So we enter C to calculate all the price and weight, and then it shows done. And if you want the system to show all the user, just enter L. So we can see Farhan and Aslam You can see the total items, total price for Farhan, and average price for Farhan. And we can see Aslam list is 102 ringgit and 20 cent, and average price is 51 ringgit 10 cent. So if we want to sort user ascending price, we can enter E. So we can see the total price is increasing, is ascending. And then we can search user by using their ID. Let's say we want to search Aslam list. So we enter. And then we can see Aslam found Aslam CB 20111. 102 ringgit 20 cent for the total price, and the weight, and the average price. So if you want to undo we want to clear the one user, we can enter Q. Undo at user, it shows undo at user. And if we list all the user, we only have Farhan only. Aslam is already removed. So let's say I want to exit the system, just enter X, and we display thank you. So that's how our warehouse system works. That's all from me. Thank you.